Are you tired of having poor credit? Do you feel like you'll never be able to get approved for loans or credit cards because of your low credit score? Well, there is hope. Becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card is a choice you might not have thought of. This can be a quick and easy way to boost your credit and improve your financial stability. Step 1. Find someone who you trust and who has good credit to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. This can be a spouse, parent, or even a close friend. Step 2. Discuss with the primary cardholder the terms of being an authorized user. Make sure you understand any rules or restrictions that may be in place. Step 3. Request to be added as an authorized user. This may involve filling out an application or providing proof of your identity. Step 4. Wait for the credit card company to process your request. This can take a few days or a week. Step 5. Once you are approved, start using the credit card responsibly. This means making on-time payments and not overspending. Step 6. Keep an eye on your credit score to see how adding an authorized user affects it. You should start to see an improvement in your credit score within a few months. Step 7. If your credit score has gone up, you might want to ask to be taken off the list of authorized users. This can be done by contacting the credit card company and requesting to be removed from the account. Step 8. If you can't find anyone who will add you as an authorized user, you might want to get a secured credit card. This is a credit card that is backed by a deposit that you make upfront. It is a good option for people with poor credit or no credit history. Step 9. Use your secured credit card responsibly, just like you would with any other credit card. Make on-time payments and try to keep your credit utilization low. Step 10. Keep an eye on your credit score and think about getting an unsecured credit card when it gets better. An unsecured credit card is a traditional credit card that is not backed by a deposit. There are a few things to keep in mind when becoming an authorized user or using a secured credit card. First, make sure to communicate with the primary cardholder or credit card company about any rules or restrictions that may be in place. Second, be sure to use the credit card responsibly by making on-time payments and not overspending. Lastly, keep an eye on your credit score to see how being an authorized user or using a secured credit card affects it. With a little bit of patience and discipline, you can boost your credit and improve your financial stability. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We have plenty of other financial tips and tricks to help you improve your credit and achieve your financial goals. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Take control of your credit and your financial future today.